Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Webull trading. First, download the Webull app from your App Store and follow the simple steps to open your brokerage account. You'll need to provide some personal information for verification. Once your account is approved, you can link your bank account to deposit funds. A minimum deposit of $100 is often required to start trading, but check current promotions. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the app's layout. Now, let's place your first trade. Use the search bar at the top to find a specific stock by its ticker symbol, like Apple for Apple, or by the company name. Once you've selected a stock, you'll see its current price and various trading options. Decide if you want to buy or sell, and then choose your order type. A market order executes immediately at the best available price, while a limit order lets you set a specific price. Enter the number of shares you wish to trade and review your order before confirming. Webull offers powerful tools to enhance your trading experience. Dive into the advanced charting features to perform technical analysis with various indicators. You can customize your charts to fit your preferred view. Stay informed with real-time market data, news feeds, and analyst ratings, all integrated into the platform. If you're new to trading or want to test new strategies, try paper trading. This allows you to simulate trades with virtual money, helping you gain confidence without risking actual capital. To trade smarter, always consider diversifying your portfolio across different assets. This helps mitigate risk if one investment performs poorly. Also, learn to use stop-loss orders. These automatically sell your shares if the price drops to a certain level, protecting your capital. Remember to conduct thorough research before making any investment decisions. For more insights into financial wisdom, check the description for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.